3.2 volts 100 ampere-hour lithium iron phosphate battery cell. Remember to keep the positive terminal of the second cell close to the negative terminal of the first cell. BMS wire harness. Connect the black wire to the cathode of the first cell. And connect the white wire to the anode of the first cell. Connect the wire to the remaining cells in sequence. Put the wire harness into the slot and get the wiring neat and tidy. Apply some thermoconductive silicone grease around the temperature sensing probe on the cell, and hold the probe onto the cell surface with EVA tape. Put the metal holder in the right place, and screw it onto the plastic holders. The first module is ready for installation. Get the second module assembled and set aside. Get the handle installed. Get the BMS in the place and fix it with screws. Connect the positive wire to the BMS. Close to the negative terminal of the first cell. Connect the two charging posts with copper busbar. Connect the positive wire with positive charging post. Connect the negative wire with negative charging post the same way. Tighten the screws with a wrench. Fix the side metal holder onto the box. Put the two battery modules into the box. Connect the two battery module series. Connect the battery pack cathode with BMS negative wire. Get the BMS monitoring wire connected. Connect the battery pack anode with BMS positive wire. Fix the battery module onto the box with screws. Get the top plastic holder assembled.